Notes. We are headed to B-Forge Wheels, meeting up with Overtake Digital. They're completely stripping down a Ferrari 458 and they're modding it completely for an event in Las Vegas. Yeah, we're gonna see soon what we're gonna be doing with this 458. Yeah, so just stick along for the drive. What's up? What's up?
Real good.
What are we doing today with this 458?
GTR, we got the 458. Went wild with this one. We're actually building it for SEMA.
Like, what made you want to do this?
You know, I can't remember the last car that I bought that I left alone. Swore I was gonna leave this one alone, but can't. It's an addiction. So rip it apart, man. New front bumper, new hood, new side skirts, new lip, new rear bumper, new wing. Excited for it. It's a big road ahead.
Cool.
Jeff.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is my partner, Eric.
Glenn, nice to meet you.
I'm Drew.
I just washed all my hands. Fluff, you're not in the video. Let's go.
She is actually.
Yes, she is.
It's official now.
Hi.
Fluffy color.
Yeah.
I'm gonna talk about the whole process of what all is going to happen.
What's that?
Are you gonna be at SEMA?
Yeah.
It is.
No, get out of the video right now. You
No,
still
it
have
looks
Adidas
great,
pants
dude.
on.
So I don't know what color car is gonna be.
You don't know what color it's gonna be? Black's out.
Yeah, no black because it's not gonna show the body lines. It's gotta show the body lines.
But I think the teal would be pretty badass.
Yeah.
What color would you do like wheel-wise on teal though?
No car with black and carbon fiber accents.
Did you test spray those new colors for me yet? Those samples out of the oven, let me know. Let's do this walkthrough.
Yeah.
That Billet Specialties and B-Forge does is not just wheels.
How long does it take from start to finish of how you guys make one wheel?
Running time 3.5 hours per wheel. I'm gonna take it and they're gonna do an operation called the turning. Basically, once it's turned on those lathes that you just saw, they're gonna bring it over to one of these machines here and they're gonna cut the faces. Here's the set they just cut a little bit ago. This is a Pro Touring style. This is a Billet Specialties wheel. Manufacturing some one-piece front runner race wheels right now. These are freshly powder coated too. So the GTR race wheels I was talking about. Put your hand on it.
It says danger hot. Glenn told me to do this. Oh yeah, no, it's
Nah.
bronze.
Gold's kind of nice. Tinted clear. I like that pastel brown. So this is all the finished goods warehouse. Anything from big wheels.
I gotta stop live streaming and do my vlog, so you guys got a pretty good tour for free.
It's the one I sent you.
Gold might look kind of fucking whack. Can you take it home and not damage it and put it next to your teal GTR and see what it looks like? Just to think about it. You think it's too, what do you think? My opinion, like black on the rim doesn't work unless it's gloss. Like 100% it's gotta be gloss. Like Mercedes black's like the most beautiful color in the world, right? They're always gonna be flatter because they got that caliper that's like this big. They gotta do a wheel that's got a flatter face like this that builds that clearance in right there.
I like the 5-spoke because it lets that. It's got a really pretty brake on it.
Build a bunch of those and a bunch of those. So
You need to know within the next couple days.
Like any type over here that you would definitely go after.
And obviously not in that color because we're going with teal. This is one. This is one I'd be interested in. And then
Mechanical, with the hardware, yeah. That's
you guys are going to Mexico.
Notes.
when you escalate to that next power level,
It was a
Let's
pleasure.
start putting together planes up.
That whole experience was badass.
They
I
had
like seeing it all done.
people back there doing the polish though, man. When he sweated the rim and then put the centerpiece in there, and
I've
then-
never seen anything like
That
that.
was
That was
insane.
so cool. Made the rim.
I thought
and
they
then
just made the
threw it
wheels.
in there, bolted it together,
put some rubber, done.
and it was done.
Love
All right,
it,
man.
love it,
I'm
man.
excited for
Awesome,
it.
dude.
I'm excited.